Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make your Samsung phone faster. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and click on the settings app, scroll down settings, click on about phone, scroll down, click on software information, scroll down, locate build number and click on it like 7 times to become a developer. Type in your password or PIN if you are prompted. Go back to the main settings. Scroll down and click on developer options. Now scroll down developer options page until you get to animation scale. So just keep scrolling. Then you should say window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale. Now go ahead and set all of these to 0.5. Once you are done, hit the back button. Then you should see your Samsung phone speed increased. Also, go back to the main settings. Scroll down, locate and click on display. Scroll down to motion smoothness. Click on it. Then make sure you set this to adaptive motion smoothness. If this is set to standard, go ahead and set it to adaptive and then click on apply. And that's it. That's exactly how to make your Samsung phone faster. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.